4 AI enhanced business recommendations. Leverage AI to provide personalized business recommendations based on user preferences and behavior. 5 AI generated content suggestions. Offer AI generated content suggestions for businesses to enhance their listings and attract more attention. 6 AI powered analytics tools. Implement AI powered analytics tools for businesses, providing actionable insights to optimize their strategies. 7 Analytics and insights. Provide insights into how businesses can benefit from analytics and data gathered through the platform, helping them make informed decisions. 8 Augmented reality AR business experiences. Explore AR features that offer users immersive experiences when exploring business listings. 9 Augmented reality AR navigation. Explore the integration of AR for navigation, guiding users directly to businesses' physical locations with interactive overlays. 10 Augmented reality business previews. Implement AR previews for businesses, allowing users to virtually explore the interiors of shops and venues. 11 Bulk listing management. Streamline the process for businesses managing multiple locations through a bulk listing management feature. 12 Business networking events. If applicable, promote any networking events or opportunities facilitated through your platform, encouraging collaboration. 13 Business spotlight. Feature a business spotlight section, showcasing success stories and unique offerings to inspire other businesses on the platform. 14 Business-to-business networking events. Facilitate events specifically designed for businesses to network and form partnerships with each other. 15 Collaborative sustainability initiatives. Encourage businesses to collaborate on sustainability initiatives, fostering a greener and eco-conscious local economy. 16 Community challenges and contests. Engage the community through challenges and contests, encouraging businesses and users to participate. 17 Community crowdfunding integration. Integrate crowdfunding features, enabling businesses to raise funds for specific projects or community causes. 18 Community engagement. Position your platform as a hub for community engagement, connecting local businesses with residents and fostering a sense of community. 19 Community events calendar. Maintain a community events calendar within the platform, promoting local events and encouraging participation. 20 Community forums. Foster a sense of community among businesses by incorporating forums where they can discuss challenges, share advice, and collaborate. 21 Community ratings and awards. Establish a system for community ratings and awards, recognizing businesses based on customer feedback and performance. 22 Community-driven charity initiatives. Facilitate community-driven charity initiatives, allowing businesses to participate and give back to the local community. 23 Competitive advantage. Highlight how businesses listed on your platform gain a competitive edge by being easily discoverable in a centralized directory. 24 Comprehensive business information. By emphasizing the inclusion of essential details like synchronized lat long and altitude, you communicate that your business listings provide comprehensive information, helping businesses stand out effectively. 25 Content moderation. Implement a robust content moderation system to ensure that listings meet quality standards and guidelines. 26. Continuous education. Provide resources and guides to educate businesses on optimizing their listings for better visibility and customer engagement. 27 Convenient transaction process. The inclusion of the UPI payment method simplifies the listing process, making it convenient for business owners to complete transactions quickly and efficiently. 28 Cross-platform integration. Explore integration with other popular platforms, extending the reach of businesses to wider audiences. 29 Cross-promotion opportunities. Explore opportunities for businesses to cross-promote each other within the platform, fostering a collaborative environment. 30 Custom maps. Mention the ability to create custom maps tailored to specific business needs. Add a personalize the service. Hi, by sending 999 rupees by Watt of bills with Wings UPI to Secoin@Uboy to list your business location, round push pin, send TXN ID or screenshot to phone call https://wa.me/9196200586444 Jai Hind.